Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Then let's find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it and tap on this edit icon at the bottom. Now we have to tap on this camera icon here, and you can either take a photo and then your device will immediately open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And let me maybe enter this option. Maybe I've got something interesting in the gallery, not really, but that's okay. Let me choose maybe this one. So after tapping, just choose this tick icon in the right upper corner, and now in this section, in this step, we can change the size of the photo, so we can zoom it in or out, or we can change the position of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on this tick icon and tap on tick icon to confirm. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.